What's going on, everyone? Got a 2021 Lexus Rx350. Today we're replacing the remote key fob battery. All right, so you got your key fob right here, and the first thing you want to do is remove the emergency key that's at the bottom of it, okay? If you look right here on the left side of the remote, this right here says push. All right, what you're going to do, there's a little indentation, a little round indentation here. You're going to push that with your thumb. When you push that in, hold it in like that, and then you grab the emergency key and just pull it right out. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to split this remote open, okay? It splits in half and splits open. If you look, there's like a seam right here. Now, if you look into the remote, there's a little slot that we're going to use. You can use the key to do this, but I recommend using a flathead screwdriver, okay? But there's a slot right here, and we'll take the flathead screwdriver and I'm going to put it in like at an angle like this, and I'm going to just pry the remote open. All right, see how it's split open like that? And I'm going to use a little bit more, get it open, take the cover off. You notice how this stuff likes to jump right out, okay, and jump apart. So just be careful, because once all this stuff comes out, these buttons will get loose and they will fall out. We don't want them falling out in the car if we're doing this in the car, because I'm probably going to lose them. So we need to hold on to this guy, something like this. This is why I like using a flathead screwdriver and not the key, because we need to get under here and pop the battery out of the holder, okay? Doing with the key might be a little bit hard because it's a little bit thicker, okay? And get it right out. I'll get a new battery and I'll show you what size the battery is. All right, so here is our new battery. The size right here is written right here on it, and it's a CR2032. And notice how it has this positive sign right here. That's gonna be facing us when we go to put this back in, okay? It needs to go in the top first. Let me just snap it in just like that. Right. So if you need a battery, check the description box. There'll be a link down for the battery and the size and everything like that. If you need one, just get the back case, stick it back on here like that, just line it back up and just snap it back on. You hear it snap. Then you can put the emergency key back in and you're all done. Well, hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you drop me a like, leave me a comment. I'll see you again in another video.